Have you ever wondered how space travel will evolve in the next half-century? Right now, we're living in an exciting era of space exploration. Our current technology has given us a taste of what lies beyond our atmosphere, but we're just scratching the surface. We've sent humans to the moon, rovers to Mars, and probes to the farthest reaches of our solar system. However, these accomplishments, while impressive, are limited by the technology of our time. Our propulsion systems, for instance, rely mainly on chemical reactions, which can only get us so far. The vast distances between celestial bodies require a staggering amount of energy and time to traverse. A trip to Mars, our neighboring planet, can take anywhere from 6 to 9 months using current technology. And that's just one way. But imagine a future where we're not bound by these limitations. A future where advanced propulsion systems allow us to travel at speeds that make our current methods seem like a leisurely stroll. A future where space habitats provide us with the comforts of home while we traverse the cosmos. A future where resources from asteroids fuel our journeys, and where we colonize other planets, making humanity a multi-planetary species. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's a future that scientists, engineers, and visionaries are working towards right now. Advancements in technology are paving the way for a new era of space travel and exploration. From harnessing the power of nuclear fusion for propulsion to developing habitats that can sustain human life in the harsh conditions of space, to mining asteroids for precious resources, the next 50 years promise to be a thrilling ride. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. There are technological hurdles to clear, ethical questions to answer, and logistical issues to sort out. But if history has taught us anything, it's that human ingenuity knows no bounds. We've overcome countless obstacles in our quest to explore the unknown, and there's no reason to believe we won't do so again. So, are you ready for a journey like no other? Join us as we delve into the 10 ways space travel will change in the next 50 years. First on our list is the evolution of propulsion systems. Right now, we use chemical rockets, which have served us well for decades. However, these rockets are not without their drawbacks. They're heavy, they're expensive, and the fuel they use is both dangerous and finite. Imagine a space voyage where we're not limited by the amount of fuel we can carry. That's where nuclear propulsion comes in. This technology could offer a higher efficiency than chemical propulsion, meaning we could travel further and faster with less fuel. It's not without its challenges, though. Radiation shielding and waste disposal are just a couple of the hurdles we'd need to overcome. Then there are ion drives. These engines use electrically charged particles to create thrust, and while they're slower to get going than chemical rockets, they're far more efficient in the long run. The longer an ion drive operates, the faster it goes, making it perfect for long-distance space travel. And let's not forget about warp drives. This is the stuff of science fiction, literally. Warp drives, which would manipulate space-time to move a spacecraft, could theoretically allow us to travel faster than light. While we're still a long way from making this a reality, it's a tantalizing prospect for the future of space travel. These advanced propulsion systems will make space travel faster and more efficient. Next, we explore the concept of space habitats. As it stands now, the International Space Station is a marvel of human achievement, but it's not exactly a 5-star hotel. Astronauts live in tight quarters, with every square inch carefully planned and utilized. But imagine a future where space habitats are not just functional, but also comfortable and spacious. In the coming decades, we could see the advent of larger and more accommodating space stations, designed not just for a handful of astronauts, but for whole communities. These habitats could mimic Earth-like conditions, complete with artificial gravity generated by the rotation of the station. Picture vast, cylindrical structures spinning slowly in the void, filled with parks, homes, and even bodies of water. The concept of building cities in space is no longer confined to the realms of science fiction. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are already working towards creating habitats that could sustain human life for extended periods. We're talking about self-sustaining ecosystems, complete with agriculture and industry, that could support thousands, if not millions, of inhabitants. Imagine waking up to a sunrise with the Earth as your backdrop, going to work in zero gravity, and ending the day with a walk in a park under a star-filled sky. The potential for space habitats is immense, and with the rapid advancements in technology, is becoming more of a when than an if. Space habitats will make long-term space travel and living in space a reality. Third on our list is asteroid mining. Imagine tapping into a celestial body, brimming with resources, just floating in the vast expanse of space. That's what asteroid mining could be in the next 50 years. You see, asteroids are rich in valuable minerals, including platinum, gold, and other rare earth metals. Some of these resources are becoming increasingly scarce on Earth, making the potential wealth of asteroids an enticing prospect. But how do we get to these asteroids? And more importantly, how do we mine them? Enter the future of space technology. We're talking about spacecraft equipped with advanced robotics and drilling technology that can withstand the harsh conditions of space. These machines would need to be able to navigate, land on, and anchor to these asteroids. Then, they'd need to drill into the asteroid's surface and extract the valuable materials. It's a complex and challenging process, but one that could yield extraordinary rewards. Not only could asteroid mining provide us with resources that are dwindling on Earth, but it could also provide the necessary materials for building in space itself. Imagine constructing space habitats or fueling spacecraft with materials sourced directly from asteroids. The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself, and while there are certainly hurdles to overcome, the potential benefits make asteroid mining a tantalizing prospect for the future of space travel. Asteroid mining could be the key to sustaining our space travel ambitions. Fourth, we delve into the colonization of other planets. The concept of colonizing planets beyond our own Earth has been a subject of fascination for centuries. It's a dream fueled by the human spirit of exploration and survival, a dream that may soon become reality. Mars, our neighboring planet, has been at the forefront of these plans. With its similarities to Earth, such as its day length and axial tilt, it presents a tantalizing prospect. But colonizing Mars is not without challenges. The planet's thin atmosphere, extreme cold, and lack of liquid water pose significant hurdles. We would have to overcome these obstacles through advanced technology and innovative solutions. We're already seeing the seeds of these solutions being planted. Concepts like terraforming, where we alter the climate of Mars to make it more Earth-like, are being seriously considered. We're also exploring the idea of creating pressurized habitats and harnessing in situ resources. But these are long-term projects that require more research, technological advancements, and most importantly, time. But Mars isn't the only candidate for colonization. Other planets and moons within our solar system also hold potential. Take, for instance, Jupiter's moon Europa. Beneath its icy surface lies a vast ocean which could potentially harbor life. Or consider Saturn's moon Titan with its thick atmosphere and liquid methane lakes. These celestial bodies present their own unique challenges, but also open up exciting possibilities for human colonization and exploration. The journey towards colonizing other planets will not be an easy one. It will demand immense resources, perseverance, and innovation. It will require us to push the boundaries of what is scientifically and technologically possible. But if accomplished, it will mark a new era in human history. The colonization of other planets will be a giant leap for mankind. The day we set foot on another planet and call it home, we will have truly become an interplanetary species. We will have pushed the limits of our capabilities and achieved something that once seemed impossible. And that, my friends, is the beauty of space exploration. Fifth, we explore the possibility of interstellar travel. Imagine, if you will, the sheer vastness of space where stars are scattered like grains of sand on a cosmic beach. These celestial bodies are often separated by trillions of miles, making the journey between them a formidable task. At present, our fastest spacecraft would take more than 40,000 years to reach our nearest star, Proxima Centauri. This astronomical distance is one of the greatest challenges facing interstellar travel. But don't let these numbers dampen your spirits, for the future holds promise. Exciting breakthroughs in propulsion technology could potentially make these journeys feasible. Theoretical concepts like warp drives, harnessing the power of black holes, or even utilizing quantum entanglement are no longer merely the stuff of science fiction. Scientists and engineers are working tirelessly to turn these ideas into reality. Further, advancements in life support systems and hibernation technology could allow astronauts to survive the lengthy journey times. And let's not forget about the potential of generation ships, colossal spacecraft designed to house multiple generations of humans on long-duration voyages. But why venture so far, you might ask? Well, interstellar travel could lead us to new, habitable worlds, provide resources beyond our wildest dreams, and most importantly, ensure the long-term survival of humanity. In this grand cosmic dance, we are but beginners, taking our first tentative steps. Yet we dream of a future where we waltz among the stars. Interstellar travel could open up a whole new universe of possibilities. Sixth, we ponder the possibility of discovering alien life. As we venture further into the cosmos, the question of "are we alone?" becomes even more pressing. Currently, our search for extraterrestrial life is primarily focused on our solar system, specifically Mars and the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. We are on the lookout for microbial life forms, organisms that are so tiny you'd need a microscope to see them. These hardy little creatures could survive in extreme conditions, similar to those found on other planets. The discovery of such life, even at a microscopic level, would be groundbreaking, shifting our understanding of life's tenacity and adaptability. But what if we find more than just microbes? What if, in some distant galaxy, we encounter intelligent life forms? The implications are staggering. It would force us to reevaluate our place in the universe, challenge our ideas of consciousness and intelligence, and perhaps even redefine what it means to be human. It's a tantalizing prospect, one that comes with a mix of excitement and trepidation. But regardless of our feelings, the search for alien life continues unabated. With every new planet we discover, with every probe we send out into the cosmos, we inch closer to answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone? The discovery of alien life would be one of the most significant events in human history. Seventh, we look at the future of space tourism. Imagine, if you will, packing up your suitcase, not for a weekend getaway or an exotic vacation, but for a trip into the cosmos. That's right. The final frontier could be the next stop on your travel itinerary. Currently, space tourism is an expensive luxury, available only to a select few who can afford the staggering price tag. However, with advancements in technology and increased investment, this could all change in the next 50 years. Rocket technology is becoming more efficient and more cost-effective. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are pioneering reusable rockets, which can significantly reduce the cost of a trip to space. In the future, we may see more companies joining this market, further driving down prices and making space travel more accessible to the average person. But it's not just about getting there. The experience of space tourism is also expected to evolve dramatically. Future space tourists might not just float around in a spacecraft, but could stay in luxury space hotels, complete with zero-gravity spas and out-of-this-world views. Imagine watching Earth rise from the comfort of your hotel room. And let's not forget about the Moon and Mars. As our capabilities for space exploration expand, so too could our tourist destinations. It's a big universe out there, and in the future, we might just get to see more of it. Space tourism could become a common experience in the future. Eighth, we consider the concept of space elevators. Imagine a literal elevator ride into space, a concept that sounds like pure science fiction but could be a reality in the next 50 years. The theory behind space elevators is straightforward yet challenging. It involves a cable anchored to the Earth's surface, extending into space with a counterweight at the end to keep it taut. Elevator cars, powered by magnetic linear motors, would then ascend the cable, providing a low-cost, reusable method of reaching space. This could revolutionize space travel, making it more accessible and affordable. The reduced cost per kilogram to launch payloads would open up a world of possibilities, from satellite deployment to space tourism and beyond. We could see a future where commuting to space becomes as commonplace as catching a train. The concept is not without its challenges, however. Materials strong and light enough to build the cable and the vast energy requirements are significant hurdles. But if these can be overcome, space elevators could make getting into space as easy as pressing a button. Ninth, we ponder the role of AI and robotics in the future of space exploration. Today, AI and robotics are already making a substantial impact on how we explore the cosmos. Robotic explorers like the Mars rovers have proven invaluable in gathering information about distant planets, and artificial intelligence is helping to analyze that data, making discoveries that might otherwise elude us. In the next 50 years, we can expect these technologies to become even more integral to space exploration. Imagine autonomous robots mining asteroids for valuable resources, or AI systems managing life support systems in space habitats. These are not just science fiction fantasies, but real possibilities being researched and developed. Furthermore, AI and robotics could be instrumental in the colonization of other planets. They could construct habitats, manage resources, and even perform scientific experiments before human settlers arrive. This could make the colonization process safer, more efficient, and more feasible. AI and robotics will play a crucial role in exploring and colonizing space. Finally, we consider the impact of these developments on humanity. Pioneering advancements in space travel are set to revolutionize our society, economy, and understanding of the universe. Imagine a world where the cosmos isn't just for astronauts, but for everyone. Space tourism could bring a new era of global unity, with the shared experience of the vastness of space fostering international cooperation. On the economic front, asteroid mining and colonization of other planets could lead to a boom in space industries, creating jobs and wealth not only in the space sector, but across various industries on Earth. This could stimulate global economic growth on a scale we've not seen before. Then there's the profound impact on our understanding of the universe. With the ability to explore further and more extensively, we could unlock secrets of the cosmos, shedding light on the origins of life, and perhaps even discovering other forms of life. The future of space travel holds exciting and transformative possibilities for humanity. As we have seen, the future of space travel is bright and full of possibilities. The next half-century promises a host of advancements, from advanced propulsion systems that will propel us farther into the cosmos, to the emergence of space habitats that will allow us to live beyond our planet. The potential for asteroid mining presents a new frontier for resources, while the colonization of other planets may no longer be the stuff of science fiction. We've also touched upon the exciting prospects of interstellar travel, the search for alien life, the rise of space tourism, and the game-changing role of AI and robotics in space exploration. These changes will undeniably have a profound impact on humanity, reshaping our perspectives and our place in the universe. In the next 50 years, space travel will change in ways we can only begin to imagine. Until then, keep looking up at the stars and dreaming of the possibilities. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. We've journeyed through the future of space exploration together. But what excites you the most? Advanced propulsion systems? Living in space habitats? Or is it the search for alien life that truly captivates your imagination? Perhaps it's the potential of AI and robotics in space exploration that has you eager for what's to come? Whatever it is, we want to know. Please give this video a like if you've learned something new, and share your thoughts in the comments section. We value your opinions and are eager to hear your thoughts on these exciting advancements. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We're on this journey together, and we can't wait to see where it leads us next. So, share this video with your friends and family, and let's continue exploring the final frontier together. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your mind open to the infinite possibilities.